It's a certified 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, power tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, automatic with driver control suspension management, and twin-turbo V6 engine. This from the Car Connection. From the look and feel to the dynamics and technology, the C-Class makes a strong argument for a position as class leader. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,